So for those that have been asking about my Gerber, let me show you that the problem continues. So see, I have the bit out on the outside. I have pressed all the way in. This is the hardest I can press. And then I'm gonna pull. See, so if I try to pull something that is thin, it will just slide out. They don't work. Look, all the way in. Let me show that again. Okay, all the way in. See? So let's say I'm trying to pull. This is stuck in there. It will slide out. That will never happen with my Leatherman Multitool. Gerber, you gotta fix that problem. Okay? Now, if I do it like that, then it's worse. It won't even do anything. See? Look how easy it comes out. Look. 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 All my strength. Boom. That easy. Garbage.